Hello, my little kittens. Wow, I've got leopard print. I'm a big cat. I'm ready to play. Wow. How are you all snuggled up, my little kittens? Wow. Have fun.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it my dogs instead.
Kitty, 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 kitty cat. Who taught you to smile like that? You must have been a beautiful kitty, 'cause you're looking so pretty. In your leopard print, are you gonna go and do another stint? Wow, wow. I'm such a pretty, 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 pretty cat. A pretty, 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 pretty cat. A pretty, 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 pretty cat. Wow, wow, pretty, 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 pretty cat. A pretty, 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 pretty cat. A pretty, 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 pretty cat. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, ow, so demure.
I'm an English cat, as you know, and I've been asked to go further into the relationship between a biscuit, a cookie, and a scone, or a scone if you're common. Okay, so a biscuit, you can dip it in your coffee, can't you? You know, you can't do it like that with a scone, though, can you? Because it'll just go all over the place, and it's not very nice. So there's no similarity really there between a biscuit and a scone. I mean, you can't have a cream tea with a biscuit, can you, really? If you put cream and jam on it, it just goes all over the place, and there's no real benefits, really. And as for biscuits, you know, as for cookies, well, cookies are just like posh biscuits, aren't they? You can have cookies at a nice tea garden. Oh, please, yes, I'll have a piece of cake. We're not talking about cake, though. Cake's out of it. So, biscuit, cookie, and scone. Well, we know the differences, don't we? But you've got to really say the thing they share in common, the passion they have together, the thing they fight for together is flour. Flour, yes. Flour, the white stuff. The elixir of the gods, yes. Flour. That's what they have in common. That's what they fight for.
You light the sky up above me, a star so bright, you guide me, yeah, yeah. Don't close your eyes, don't fade away, don't fade away, whoa. Yeah, you and me, we can ride on a star. If you stay with me, girl, we can rule the world. Yeah, you and me, you can light up the sky. If you stay by my side, we can rule the world.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zaydan. Happy birthday to you. Wow. It's Sunday morning. Yeah. Don't like. Night out on the tiles. Ow. Chasing birds. And mice. Ow. Meow 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 meow.
So swing me high and swing me low until my chariot takes me home. Ow! Oh!
Meow. He's just a cameo kitten 'cause he ain't got time. Meow. Cameo kitten spitting out the rhyme. Cameo kitten and he don't stop. Entertaining folks all around the clock. Meow.
If you got a special request, cameo kitten while he's depressed. Birthdays, songs, impressions and roasting. But first is breakfast.
catnip and the toasting. Then it's off to work with a small grin. Being a legend, well, it ain't a sin.
Meow, 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 meow. I love you all.
Ow, my kitties don't dab, we just fussy up. Tell your girl to meet me at the coffee shop. Getting freaky in the sheets, taking body shots. Then I'll finish with a just to top it off. My kitties don't dab, we just fussy up. Tell your girl to meet me at the coffee shop. Getting freaky in the sheets, taking body shots. Then I'll finish with a just to top it off. Are you gooning hard or hardly gooning? Mr. Goontastic, very fantastic. Make me love a goon. Goon, romantic, very fantastic. Make Declan goon.